If a user story is partially completed on the last day of the sprint, the Scrum Master and the Scrum team need to address the situation promptly. Here are steps the Scrum Master may consider: review the definition of done to evaluate that the work completed aligns with the definition of done. If the user story does not meet the Kirikon criteria, it cannot be considered complete. To communicate with the development team, engage in open communication with the development team to understand the reasons behind the incomplete user story. Identify any blockers, challenges, or unexpected issues that occur during the sprint. Update the sprint board, clearly indicate on the sprint board or in the team's chosen tracking tool that the user story is in progress but not yet complete. This provides transparency to the team and stakeholders. Hold a sprint review during the sprint review meeting. Openly discuss the status of the incomplete user story with the stakeholders. Transparency is key in Scrum, and stakeholders should be aware of any deviations from the initial plan. Discuss options with the product owner, collaborate with the product owner to decide on the next steps. A product owner might choose to accept the partially completed user story and demonstrate the achieved functionality. Move the incomplete user story back to the product backlog for reprioritization. Retrospective reflection: during the sprint retrospective, reflect on why the user story was not complete. Discuss improvements that can be made to prevent similar issues in future sprints. Continuous improvement: work with the team to identify areas for improvement. If the incomplete user story is indicative of a recurring issue, consider adapting processes, refining estimates, or addressing any impediments to enhance future sprints. Refine sprint. Planning for the next sprint: incorporate lessons learned into the next sprint planning session. Adjust estimates, refine user stories, and enhance planning to increase the likelihood of completing tasks within the sprint duration. Remember, the Scrum Master's role is to facilitate and support the Scrum team in continuous improvement. It is important to foster a culture of transparency, inspection, and adaptation to ensure the team learns from each sprint and continually enhances its performance. Do not miss out on the next level of Scrum Master interview questions and answers. Subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell for more updates on latest interview questions and answers.